In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Bloons TD6 with mods. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up mods for Bloons TD6. First, I want to make it very clear that for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do it on PC. To my knowledge, I'm not aware if there's a way to do it if you are playing on mobile through the Google Play Store or the App Store on iOS, so keep that in mind. For this video, this process is going to work if you are playing on PC, either through Steam or through any other means. So the first thing that you need is Melon Loader. This is going to be used to actually get the mods installed. So as you can see, the world's first universal mod loader for Unity games. Because Bloons TD6 is built on Unity, it means that it is going to work. So look for Melon Loader, and when you access this page, you will be able to download the automated installation. So click on this link here, download latest for Windows or Linux, of course, if you are playing there. So as you can see, it supports Bloons TD6 through Steam, Epic Game Stores, and GOG. It is super simple to use this. When you open it up, you will see a screen similar to this, and all that you have to do is select Bloons TD6 from here. So when you choose the option to select a Unity game, you can browse to your computer and you just need to find the executable file for Bloons TD6. If you are on Steam, it is usually going to be on your C drive, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then Bloons TD6. When you install this, a new folder will be created on your TD6 install called Mods. As long as you have this Mods folder, it means that you have set it up correctly. Now what you have to do to download actual mods is to set up the BTD mod helper. So look for this page on GitHub and you will be able to download BTD mod helper. So this essentially makes it easy to browse through mods inside of the game. You can download it by clicking on the releases at the right side of the screen here and then downloading this DLL file. If it tells you that this file could be dangerous, don't worry, it is safe to use. As you can see, there are a lot of users, a lot of downloads, and you can do your own research, of course. Now, with this DLL file, all that you have to do is drag and drop it where you got your mods folder. So if you go over to Bloons TD6, you will see the mods folder like I mentioned. And when you access this mods folder, you can drop the DLL, and when you open the game, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Bloons TD6 with mods. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.